Hi guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare OnePlus 70 and OnePlus 7. Let's start. First I will compare the display. OnePlus 70 has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display and OnePlus 7 has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Optic AMOLED display. If I say something about the front camera, as you can see here, both have a 16 megapixel front camera. Next guys, we compare the RAM and storage. OnePlus 7T has a 8GB RAM and 128 and 256GB storage, and OnePlus 7 has a 2 option in RAM, 6GB, 8GB and 2 option in storage, 128 and 256GB. Let's see the difference in main camera. OnePlus 7T has a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 12 megapixel, and OnePlus 7 has a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera. Next, to talk about the processor and chipset. OnePlus 7T has a 2.9 GHz octa processor and Snapdragon 855 chipset, and OnePlus 7 has a 2.8 GHz octa processor with Snapdragon 855 chipset. Now guys, we talk about some few things. We talk about the first operating system. OnePlus 7T has a Android 10, and other side you will get a Android 9. And both smartphone comes with a dual SIM option. And talk about the GPU. OnePlus 7T has a Adreno 640 and other side it's the same. And talk about the fingerprint sensor. Both smartphone comes with a under display fingerprint sensor. And talk about the battery. OnePlus 7T has a 3800 mAh rapid charging with fast battery charging, and other side you will get a 3700 mAh battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price. OnePlus 7T has a starting price is $38,615 and OnePlus 7 average price and starting price is 33,000 in India rupees and 480 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video update.